Next, in this chapter 16, electronic payment system, we are going to see the topic electronic account transfer. After the card based payment system, there become more alternative electronic payment systems, and in that, with the help of computer and technologies, the electronic communications, a large number of alternative electronic payment systems were introduced. First one is ECS, that is electronic clearing system. Second one is EFT, electronic fund transfer, and RTGS, that is real time gross settlement system. These two systems are you have studied in commerce also. So first we are going to see about electronic clearing services. What is electronic clearing services? It defined as a repeated transfer of fund from one bank account to multiple bank account with the help of computer and internet technology. That is, if the user want to instruct the bank to debit from his bank account and credit into other bank account with the help of internet, and the user or the payer has to inform to the bank already previously, and there is no need to remember the payment date, as we have introduced as we have informed to the bank if you want to pay the income tax, and if you want to pay the loan bills, and if you have to pay the electric bills, telephone bills, and all our payments has to be informed to the bank previously and with the particular date. We have to made a list, இந்த நாளைக்கு இந்த டேட்ல இந்த அமௌண்ட்டை என்னோட அக்கௌண்ட்ல இருந்து ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி we made a list and given to the bank na, then the bank will directly transfer the amount on a particular date. So we no need to remember the payment dates, and from one account, that is from my account, it is the cash is transferred to many account. So this way of repeated transfer of fund from one bank account to another bank account is said to be as an clearing services, that is electronic clearing services. For example, disposing of salary, pension. So from one account to many account it get transferred. So here the ECS can be used for both credit and debit purposes, which is mainly used for making bulk payments. And first we are going to see about ECS Credit. From the name itself, credit. So it is credit to some other bank, and our bank, that is single account, is debited. From my account I am paying salary to my laborers, to my employees, and I am paying electricity bill, I am paying telephone bill, I am paying EMI for the loan, and I am paying insurance premium. So what are else there? From one account the cash is debited and the multiple account got credited, na, it comes under ECS credit. And then ECS debit. What is ECS debit? It is a inverse, that is reverse of ECS credit, and it is used for bulk collection of amount. So I am giving rent to, I am allowing many of the customers who are paying insurance premium to my account na. So many of the account, from many of the account, my account got credited. From many account, single account got credited, na, it is comes under the ECS debit. So insurance premium of bulk number of customers is debited to customer's bank account, or single bank account is comes under this ECS debit category. Next topic we are going to see about EFT, that is electronic fund transfer. The same, it is otherwise called as e-check. While we are transferring the check or giving DD, what we have to do? We have to write the check, and we have to take a DD, or we have to take a DD and send it. We have to take a DD from one bank and we have to send it by post, and there they received the DD amount. They received the DD, and from the bank, while the two banks are get connected, it transfer the amount from one bank to another bank. So here EFT, electronic fund transfer. of money over the online network. The amount is sent from the sender bank branch and credited to the receiver bank branch on the same day at the same time. And EFT is widely used method for moving fund from one account to another in business to business model. So here the EFT is otherwise called as, in America it is called as e-check, and in NEFT, that is National Electronic Fund Transfer, is an electronic fund transfer system which was initiated, that is introduced by the Reserve Bank of India in November 2015, which is maintained by the Institute for the Development and Research of Banking Technology. And here in NEFT, the United States is referred as e-check, and it is used to transfer the fund from one bank account to another bank account. It enabled the bank account on a one-to-one basis with the help of internet. Next topic we are going to see about RTGS, that is real-time gross settlement transaction. That is, it's a payment system particularly used for the settlement of the transaction between the financial institution. As you have studied already in commerce, I am just giving the introduction about RTGS. It is a payment system used for settlement of transaction between financial institution and banks. Here it is used as a real time. So the payments are also called as push payments, and these are generally large volume of payments, and these transaction, RTGS transaction, is categorized into two: unconditional and irrevocable. What is unconditional? The beneficiary will receive the fund regardless of whether he fulfills it. Suppose I am a customer getting the product from the merchant, I am paying the amount with the help of RTGS in the method of RTGS. So the receiver got the amount in whether I have received the goods or the received goods are damaged, whatever it may be, the financial transaction will be fulfilled. எனக்கு பொருள் வந்து சேர்ந்துச்சோ இல்லையோ, சரியான நேரத்தில் டெலிவரி ஆச்சோ இல்லையோ, எனக்கு ப்ராடக்ட் டெலிவரியில் எந்த ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கோ, குவாலிட்டி சரியில்லையோ, என்னோட ஆர்டர் வந்துச்சோ வரலையோ, என்னோட பெனிஃபிஷரிக்கு என்னது அமௌண்ட் வந்து ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ஆகிடும். So this is unconditional transfer the amount with the help of RTGS. And then second thing is irrevocable. Irrevocable திரும்ப பெறுதல் கிடையாது. அப்போ எந்த ஒரு செயலுமே நடைபெற்ற பிறகு அதை திரும்ப என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, ரீஃபண்ட். இப்போ கேஷே நம்ம ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணிட்டோம் with the help of RTGS னா it cannot be refunded, and so it is called as settlement finality. So the correctly processed transaction cannot be reversed. That is called as irrevocable. So these are all the transactions which are available with the help of RTGS. Next topic we are going to see about electronic cash payment system. Third one in macro, third type of macro. So here electronic cash payment system, that is ECash, is a currency that flow in the form of data. It is not a real currency as like dollar, as like rupees. It is not available to our naked eye. It is just an imaginary cash which is flow in the form of data. It converts the cash value into series of sequence number, and use this serial number we can represent some market value. For example, Bitcoin, or it is otherwise called as cryptocurrency. So what is cryptocurrency? It is a virtual asset. நம்ம கண்ணுக்கு தெரியாத ஒரு மாயமாக இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு அசட் which is designed to work as a medium of exchange like cash. எப்படி நம்ம பணத்தை வந்து ரெண்டு பேத்துக்கு இடையில ஒரு மீடியமா யூஸ் பண்ணி டிரான்சாக்ஷன் பண்றோமோ, அது மாதிரி it is used as a medium of transaction or exchange with the help of security algorithm. With the help of security algorithms, and it is also called as crypto coins, ECash, fork coins, bitcoins. There are lot more coins available. So with the help of cryptography and storing information, we can create the cryptocurrency, and this cryptocurrency is based on the technologies mining, blockchain, etc. For example, the term cryptocurrency begin with the name after the appearance of Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? It is a decentralized cryptocurrency. உலகத்துக்கே ஒரே பொதுவான ஒரு காயின் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா Bitcoin. Mainly it cost more than 73 lakhs or something. So next topic we are going to see about e-wallets, that is electronic wallets. Wallets na என்னது? Electronic wallets are otherwise called as electronic purse. So mainly we use the purse for making for keeping cash, cards, and we also used to keep pen, pencil, books and something else. So what is the difference between wallet and purse? Wallet we can keep only cards and amount, that is rupees or some cash values. So here electronic wallet is used to allow the user to make electric transactions quickly and surely over the internet, and we can transfer only the minimum amount. After while we are using that online shopping, while we are purchasing some amount, it is used to transfer the amount, least amount, and it was first recognized as a method for storing money in electric form, and it is most popular in the field of online shopping. And after the development of internet, the electronic wallet is turned out the efficient transaction tool. So as a communication tool for e-commerce, here the e-wallet become the efficient transaction tool. And the e-wallet, what are the e-wallet apps or e-wallet apps here we are using is PayPal and SBI Buddy or the e-wallets. So what is e-wallet? It is like purse used to make electronic transaction quickly.